What should happen during the teaching activity is student-to-student interaction, teacher to student, and also student to content.
I think in the discussion, some of us have different opinions with each other.
I think I disagree with the
So my opinion is I agree because giving homework to students does not always improve their academic outcomes.
For now, I already found as many as 150 applications that we can use during the online learning. From game maker, quiz maker, video editing, and also assessment tools that we can use to give feedback, and artificial intelligence, because we learn new things right now. We are in different future. In the near future or in the future, this situation could happen. And as a future teacher, future leaders, you guys have to think about how to manage your class, even though they cannot access good facility, right? This is very accurate. Whenever you talk using English, then it can record your voices, your expressions you use really well. Perfect. Can you imagine if we teach English using this, so your students can find it easier to understand. Ide dari pendidikan yang inklusif itu seperti